Recurrent giardiasis is associated with common variable immunodeficiency. Adenosine deaminase deficiency is seen in severe combined immunodeficiency. Thymoma can be associated with seborrheic metastasis syndrome, myasthenia gravis, and pure red cell aplasia. Vertical transmission of antibody can occur in Rh incompatibility, isoimmune thrombocytopenia, neonatal myasthenia gravis. Autosomal dominant disorder is Huntington's chorea. Memory impairment is most likely to occur in Down syndrome. In Turner syndrome, there is short stature, widely spaced nipple, webbed neck, but no mental retardation. A patient with X0 chromosome and short stature is likely to have Turner syndrome. Hyperthermia is seen in malignant epileptic syndrome, neuroleptic syndrome. Tumor marker relevant with ovarian carcinoma is 125 Ca. A normal anion gap metabolic acidosis occur in diarrhea. High anion gap metabolic acidosis occur in lactic acidosis, salicylate poisoning, ethylene glycol poisoning. IgG and immunoglobulin can cross placenta. Langerhans cells are antigen-presenting cells. Neonatal thymectomy leads to decreased size of paracortical area. Example to type 1 hypersensitivity is Cassoni's test. Lesion in amygdala leads to Kluver-Bucy syndrome. Metabolic encephalopathy presents with anomic aphasia. An extensive damage to primary somatosensory area of cerebral cortex. Sensory impairments are pressure, sensory localization, exact weight determination. Dermatomyositis feature include Gorton's patch, mechanic finger, and periungual telangiectasia. Subdural hematoma most commonly results from rupture of injury to cortical bridging veins. Non-noxious stimuli perceived as pain in allodynia. Asymmetric high-voltage triphasic slow wave pattern is seen on ECG in hepatic encephalopathy. Episodic generalized weakness can occur due to all electrolyte disturbance except hypocalcemia. In upper motor neuron 7 nerve palsy, there is contralateral lower face paralysis.